Right, customers just dropped this off to me. Another iBoost. I've seen one of these for a while. Yeah, they've taken it to bits for me as well. Beaut. So let's have a look and see what's going on. Yeah, probably British rectifier. Should we test it? Yeah, looks like it's short to me. And then if we test this direction as well, look. So it's short that way. And also if we probe it the other way, also short that way as well. There we go, that's one bridge rectifier removed. Luckily we've still got one in the bag, so I can stick another one on. Right, it's bridge rectifier replaced, just putting it all back together. Just noticed the fuse is wrong actually. Right, let's get that changed before we do anything else. It's soldered now. They're soldered from the factory, so it's how it's supposed to be. Right, testing time, see if it works. There we go, we're on. And we are working. There we go, it's another successful repair. So if you've got one of these, you need it fixing, drop us a message and we can get it sorted for you.